Hey there, are you thinking about going vegetarian but not sure where to start? In this video, I'll be sharing a beginner's guide to eating a healthy and delicious vegetarian diet, including my top tips for getting all the nutrients you need without sacrificing any taste or flavor. As a registered dietitian nutritionist, this video will be your guide to help you create healthy and balanced vegetarian meals and snacks. So let's get started. Tip number 1 is to start simple. You can think of dishes you typically already eat like pasta, pizza, lasagna, stir fry, burritos, and then switch out the meat for more plant-based proteins like lentils, beans, and quinoa. And then you can just create main dishes such as pasta primavera with vegetables and chickpeas, pizza topped with vegetables, vegetable lasagna, a vegetable stir fry with tofu, and a spicy bean burrito. So those are just some healthy options that you can just easily switch out the meat for a plant-based protein. Tip number 2 is the protein switch with plant-based protein powder. You can eat a variety of plant protein foods such as black or kidney beans, cooked split peas, and yellow or green lentils. Nuts and seeds are also great options to help you meet your protein needs. When looking for recipes while meal planning, you can find bean recipes or lentil recipes like a hearty chili with lentils, or you can use chickpeas to make a flavorful Indian curry. You can get creative with your snacks too. So instead of reaching for a bag of chips, you could try snacking on roasted chickpeas or a handful of nuts. These plant-based foods are a really good source of protein and fiber, which will help keep you feeling full and satisfied longer. And this will reduce your cravings throughout the day. Also, whole grains like quinoa, farro, and brown rice are excellent sources of plant-based protein. Try incorporating them into your meals as a side dish or using them as a base for a hearty salad. When you add these plant-based proteins into your diet, you're going to notice that you start feeling full longer, which is going to reduce your unhealthy food cravings throughout the day. Speaking of cravings, I have a free online class where I teach you how to get rid of unhealthy food cravings for good without giving up your favorite foods, even if you've struggled with unhealthy food cravings for many years. In the class, I teach you how to identify the root cause of your unhealthy food cravings and how to get rid of them for good. You'll also learn how to use my proven method to reduce and replace unhealthy food cravings so that you can get healthy again and lose weight quickly. So if you want to sign up for my free class on food cravings, the link to this class is in the description box below. Tip number 3 is dairy-free delights and how to incorporate dairy-free alternatives into your vegetarian diet. If you decide to skip out on dairy, the good news is that you can still get calcium from other foods. For example, you could try fortified plant-based milks like soy milk and almond milk that are going to be fortified with calcium, vitamin D, and other important nutrients that are typically found in dairy milk. You just want to check the nutrition facts label to ensure the milk you choose is fortified. Other fortified dairy alternatives include tofu and some breakfast cereals and orange juices. Dark green leafy vegetables like collard greens, spinach, and kale are sources of calcium too. You can blend dark green leafy greens into smoothies by just adding a handful of spinach or kale into your morning smoothie. This is an easy way to get more greens into your diet. Collard greens and kale are great for adding to soups and stews. They're hearty and flavorful and add extra nutrition and flavor. Tip number 4 is to go nutty for nuts. You can choose unsalted nuts as a snack or use them in salads or main dishes to bump up your protein, dietary fiber, and healthy fats. For example, slivered almonds, crushed walnuts, or any other chopped nuts are a great topping for salads. You can add nuts to your breakfast by adding a handful of nuts to your morning oatmeal or yogurt. This will give you an extra boost of protein and healthy fats to help keep you full throughout the morning. Nuts are a great option as a snack because they're portable, filling, and packed with nutrients. Keep a bag of your favorite nuts in your purse or backpack for a quick and easy snack on the go. You can also make your own trail mix with nuts, or you can make your own healthy granola with nuts. Tip number 5 is been there, done that with healthy bean options for a vegetarian diet. You can try a bean-based chili, 3-bean salad, or split pea soup. Because of their high nutrient content, beans, peas, and lentils are excellent sources of protein, fiber, folate, and so many minerals. Beans are a great plant-based protein source. You can add a can of chickpeas or black beans to a salad for an extra boost of protein and fiber. Bean dips like hummus and black bean dip are easy to make at home and make a delicious and healthy snack option. You can make your own bean dip easily by blending your favorite beans with olive oil, garlic, and other seasonings. You can also add a can of white beans or lentils to your favorite soup recipe to make it more filling and nutritious, and to add more flavor and texture. Tip number 6 is the veggie snack hack. Stack on raw veggies and hummus. You can make hummus, which is a Middle Eastern dip made from blended chickpeas, or also called garbanzo beans. Hummus is rich in protein, dietary fiber, and several important minerals. You can either buy it at the store or you can make it yourself. I will post a link to the videos that I made of how you can make hummus easily on your own from scratch. It's seriously so easy to make. It's just a few ingredients, and I have videos where I teach you how to make classic American hummus, and then another one where I teach you how to make traditional Middle Eastern hummus. For the veggies, you can buy pre-cut veggies like carrots, celery, bell peppers, and then keep them in your fridge to make snacking easier. And then once you decide whether you're going to buy your hummus or make it yourself, you can dip in sweet potato fries, pita chips, or even apple slices in your hummus for a unique twist. All right, to recap, we just talked about 6 tips on how you can easily switch to a vegetarian diet and still get all the nutrients you need without sacrificing taste and flavor. I created a handout with all of these tips listed in it, and so if you want to download it, you can download it right to your computer and print it off if necessary, and then you can just put it right on your fridge so that you can see it easily, or you can download it to your phone if you want to do that. And that way you'll have all these tips available to you whenever you're trying to get more plant-based proteins into your diet, or if you're actually trying to switch to a vegetarian diet. My name is Teresa. I help men and women transform their bodies through simple diet and lifestyle changes so that they can lose weight, eat without feeling guilty, and fit to their favorite clothes again. If you would like to have your own personal nutritionist to help you reach your health and lifestyle goals, then you are welcome to connect with me for a free consult and talk with me about a struggle you're having with your diet and lifestyle habits. We can explore some options that might be helpful for you, and I have a special link that is for anyone watching this video. So to sign up for the free consult, you just go to missnutrition.com/schedule. Subscribe if you want to stay connected with me and see any new videos I post on nutrition to learn how you can achieve your health and wellness goals for weight loss and muscle gain. And if you're a woman dealing with fertility issues, I also specialize in PCOS, endometriosis, and skin issues like acne. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.